Ladies and gentlemen, this video is about removing Mol10.biz. This is a malicious pop-up that is presented as some human verification alert. It says that you need to click Allow to confirm that you are not a robot. This is a trap. Some people have mistakenly done that and they noticed that soon their browser got hijacked. So clicking the Allow button is a trouble that will cause a lot of other troubles. You may be brought to some filthy pages, some pages that promotes browser hijackers, adware, and even some fake antivirus programs. So you need to be careful not to click the allow button, and if it was clicked, you need to immediately fix the issue. For this purpose, go to the menu, click on Settings, then select Site Settings and Notifications. Now inspect the Allow area and you will find this Mol10.biz site in the list. Click on this button and remove this site. And you may also delete other sites that are not decent. So be sure to delete them all. It's important that no any malware site is left in this list. You need to get rid of them. I also recommend double checking your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Download the software and start scanning your Mac computer with it. You will need to wait until the antivirus database is updated and click on Start Combo Scan button. This will begin the research of your Mac right away. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder and we may right click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.